I come to you with an open heart, tired from the road I have walked so far. I bring my fears, I bring my pain. I whisper your name in the quiet again. You see the tears I try to hide, you know the truth I keep.